everyone, and welcome to Ohio Valley Couponer. So today I am here with this awesome Kroger 2-day sale for today. It is August the 10th, and it'll run through August the 11th. And yeah, believe it or not, in addition to what deals we've already gotten, Kroger added in some more for our 2-day sale. So these deals all have to be clipped with the 5 times digital coupon, which basically means you can do it up to 5 times in a single transaction. Once you use the coupons, you can't use it again. So I want to preface that. If you haven't done these 5 times things, be sure to go to the description box. I have a whole bunch of how to coupon videos in there about Kroger specifically. So be sure to check that out because it's very important to know how to do Kroger coupons. Because Kroger's pretty much what I talk about all the time. So yeah, be sure to do that. And also, check out the other Kroger videos I've done this week, because there is a huge mega event with like hundreds of items and so many deals. Lots of things you can get for free. So click the little eye in the top right corner, and it'll direct you over to that. So yeah, let's dive right into this 2-day sale. First up, we have Capri Sun, 99 cents, which is a really, really good deal. 99 cents for Capri Sun. I don't think I've seen that sale since last year at Kroger, so yeah, it's a really good deal for 99 cents. 8-count Go-Gurt, 99 cents, which is a pretty good deal. We do have savings store rebates, but it is not for the 8-count. It's only for the 16-count. So you can't do the rebate, but it's still a good deal anyways on these products. 99 cents for Go-Gurt is really awesome. So yeah, be sure to get that if you like that kind of yogurt. Really good one. We have $1.99 for Hillshire Farms lunch meat. Awesome price for that. We have $7.99 for the Good Cook 44-piece food storage set. That's not bad at all, really, because Black Friday, they usually put the Rubbermaid at Walmart for like around that. So that's a pretty good deal for this stuff. 44 pieces of food storage. So this deal is not bad either. It's $6.99 for the 12-pack of HomeSense tissues. Makes it 58 cents a box, which is not bad, honestly, especially if you're not couponing. That's a really good deal. So yeah, 58 cents per box of tissues, and I believe these are each 80-count boxes, I'm pretty sure. So it's definitely not a bad price at all. Yeah, that is all for now. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Share it so that other people can see this deal, as well as ding the bell or whatever for notifications. That way you'll get notified whenever I do a new video. So yeah, check out these videos if you haven't already, and be on the lookout for my haul video later today. Thanks.